Hey, so we're driving into the property. And there in the road is a turtle. It's pretty big too. Might be a snapping turtle. We don't know. You see him?
He's gonna cross right my way.
Yep. Oh, he's not. He's just gonna hang out. Oh, and I'm looking at the dashboard.
Yeah, that is a snapping turtle.
I can't. Can you? I can't see him on my video. Can you, real quick? You gonna move him?
Gonna have to. Can't run over him.
I probably should take the phone back. You're gonna need both pieces.
Probably. Okay, buddy, you're gonna have to get out of the road. Yeah. You're gonna have to get out of the road, buddy. Yeah, I mean, he's a pretty good size one.
Alright, folks. You saw it here first. Let's see if Brad can wrangle this critter without getting bit. Ooh. He wants to be right there where the creek's running. Now he's heading toward us. Just long enough for us to get by, sweetheart. Stay right there, babe. Okay.
He's heading back over.
Of course he
Before
is.
he gets in the way.
Okay. See you later, dude. Look how green and beautiful. Brad's been working hard on this road. This is all easement. This is not our property. This is the road in that we've been dumping gravel on for how many months now? So that we can get our trailer in. Oh, something just jumped off the bank there. Oh, okay.
There are a lot of frogs up here, though.
A lot of frogs.
Seen a cute little one down here, brown with green stripe on its back.
Oh, yeah?
Yesterday.
Aw. Dogwood, redbud. The white dogwoods are native and wild. So we've got them up here. The blue skies. Oh, look at all that nice gravel. This part of the road's pretty dry, babe. Good job.
Well, these higher parts that dry out pretty good, I didn't do a lot to.
Oh, yeah. Didn't need to.
Just the areas that I knew were trouble when they get wet, that I put a bunch of gravel down.
More redbud and dogwood. Oh, I love it so much. They're so beautiful. Last time I was out here, there were hardly any leaves on anything yet.
There goes the seatbelt.
Oh, goody. So we're still on the easement road. Still working our way in. Wanted to show y'all how long this actually is. This is why it's taking so long. There's the little skid steer we rented for a week to get some stuff done. Probably gonna park the truck here.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pause you while I put my shoes on. Okay, I've got my shoes on. Just wanted to show you some of these pretty flowers. Got my shoes on. We're gonna walk up the rest of the way. You can hear my water making noise. Here's our creek. Well, this isn't our creek. It is our creek, but this isn't our part of the creek. We're not on our land yet. Come on, baby. Look at all the green, all the trees. Oh my goodness. None of this had leaves on it last time I was out here. I could start walking. He'll catch up. Then again, there is a bear out here. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself.
Bring that level up a little more, and it'll also stabilize the 3 inch. 2 inches will roll around a lot if we don't put some smaller stuff in it to stabilize it. You see all the different plants and stuff coming up.
Yes.
I mean,
and all the green and all the beautiful. All right, what do you think? Should I walk them in here, or should I? It's already 8 minutes in. Maybe I should start again when we get to
start again when we get to the property, maybe?
We'll start again when we get to the gate. We'll pause, yeah. All right, this is our gate. And I think our property actually goes a little bit out that way.
It goes
before the gate.
The top of the ridge there, and then starts going that way. And it follows up at an angle here, following this ridge up and over there.
Okay, well, I'm still sliding around on the mud here.
Yeah, that's the worst spot.
Hello, pretties. Slip sliding away. Oh, yeah. I think this might be, well, that's a wild geranium right there. The pink one, but the purple ones might be phlox. I'm not 100% sure, and I can't take pictures, whoa, until I'm done with my video here. Yeah, this is some mud, man.
Yeah.
And there were tadpoles, I think. Was this the tadpole pond?
They were here.
And Brad didn't want them to die when he dumped gravel. So he scooped them up and he put them in the creek, as many as he could. Oh yeah, I want to be up here.
Don't look like any of the moves back into the little puddle. I'm going to bring more dirt through here to get this up higher.
Oh, good. Yeah, we found fresh bear tracks this morning. Brad did. So he's got the 44 just in case. Oh gosh, that was a bad move. This is worse. Oh gosh.
Yeah, if you can see water on the ground, you don't want to be near.
Oh.
Actually, where I went through with the skid steer this morning and pushed all the mud out, and that was so hard.
Trying to hold you up so you can see while I'm looking at the ground. Because, you know, keeping an eye out for critters. But also I don't want to step in a super slick spot and go down. Might be fun for y'all, but I don't think it'd be much fun for me.
Take a closer look at them purple ones.
Yep.
You can see they're just laced all over here.
Yeah. Wildflowers everywhere. I hear critters up here for the first time. It's finally warm enough for them to be out. Here's the little excavator that could. That's where our trailer's gonna go once we're able to get it in here. And yeah, this is just the very beginning of our property. We'll just turn you 360 and then turn you off. How about that? Still haven't got all our leaves yet on our trees, but working on it. There you go for now.